She was yelling at me in front of everyone. My heart was racing, my palms were sweating. But instead of shrinking, I said 8 words that made her stop mid-sentence and actually apologize. Aggressive people count on you freezing up. They expect you to either fight back or back down. But there's a third option that completely disarms them. Today I'm sharing 4 verbal tricks that make aggressive people stop, reflect, and often genuinely apologize. Trick number 1. The curiosity flip. Research from Stanford shows that asking questions activates different brain regions than defensive statements. It literally shifts someone from attack mode to thinking mode. Imagine your coworker snaps. You always mess things up. Instead of defending yourself, try this. Help me understand. What specifically frustrated you most? You've just made them pause and think. Suddenly they're explaining, not attacking. Trick number 2. The agreement bridge. This one's powerful. Psychologist Marshall Rosenberg, author of Nonviolent Communication, found that partial agreement reduces hostility by up to 60%. Your mother-in-law says harshly, "You never visit enough." Try responding, "You're absolutely right that we haven't been around as much as I'd like either." You've agreed with her feeling without accepting blame. Watch how quickly her tone softens. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful, you're exactly who we created Unspoken 101 for. Women navigating difficult conversations with confidence. Subscribe and join our community of over 50,000 women mastering these skills together. Trick number 3. The mirror moment. FBI hostage negotiator Chris Voss swears by this in his book Never Split the Difference. Simply repeat the last few words someone said with a questioning tone. Your boss says angrily, "This project is completely unacceptable." You respond calmly, "Completely unacceptable." Then wait. Silence is your weapon. 90% of the time they'll start explaining themselves, often realizing they overreacted. Trick number 4. The future focus. This is the 8-word phrase I mentioned. When someone's attacking your past actions, redirect to the future. It's based on solution-focused therapy techniques used by counselors worldwide. Someone's berating you for a mistake. Say this. What would make this right for you going forward? Those 8 words shift everything. You've acknowledged their frustration and handed them the solution. Most people soften immediately because you've shown respect without groveling. Here's what all 4 tricks have in common. They work because you're not matching aggression with aggression. You're staying grounded while inviting them to meet you there. That's true power. Which trick are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. And if there's a difficult person in your life you're thinking of right now, share this video with a friend who needs it too. I'll see you in the next one.